It's Kim and Darrow, and we're in Desert Mountain in the village of Gamble Quail.
This is a desirable location, close to the main gate, with stunning views of the mountains, sunsets, and city lights.
And this gorgeous home stays true to its Southwestern roots. Let's go take a look.
It's deeper than the blue in the sky. You are my heart. You are my heart. You are my dream. Come alive. My everything. My like no other. Yeah, I could stay here with you for forever.
It's not often you find a move-in ready home in Desert Mountain of this caliber, this size, at this price.
Why not make this home your next home? For more information, contact us.